News starts now.
Today, MU Healthcare opened a new 14,000 square foot medical clinic in Boonville, making it MU Healthcare's largest outpatient facility outside of Columbia. Good evening, everyone. I'm Evie Allen. Now, the opening comes at a time when many people in small town Missouri don't have immediate access to in-person medicine. More than a year ago, Noble Health closed its doors, leaving Audrain County residents without a local hospital. After the closure, both Boone Health and MU Healthcare set up clinics in Mexico to provide care. MU Healthcare has also looked to expand across mid-Missouri, opening clinics in Fulton, Ashland, and Fayette. Now, Boonville's new clinic hopes to fill a gap in healthcare after the closure of the area's hospital in 2020. The new clinic has an urgent care with extended hours, primary care, imaging, and lab and therapy services. KMU8's Lucy Caile is in studio after speaking with people who got their first appointments at the clinic today. Lucy.
Yeah, the people I spoke to today say the clinic helps most with commute times. If certain medical services don't have to be done in Columbia or Jefferson City, it means less time driving there. People in the Boonville area say they are happy with the new clinic and are looking forward to more health services in the future.
Load off everybody's back around here.
It's opening day for MU Healthcare's Boonville Medical Center, and the Mangles had their appointment set up weeks ago.
I had physical therapy this morning. This is the first time here at the new clinic.
Earl and Patty Mangle live in Bunston, Missouri, 20 minutes away from Boonville. Since the hospital in Boonville closed in 2020, they've had to drive to Columbia and Jefferson City for certain services.
Not having to drive 40 miles just to get your blood drawn or to see a regular doctor.
A physician at the new clinic says that shorter commutes helps encourage people in smaller towns to get medical services.
Like when our hospital closed and it became really hard for people to get health care, they put off a lot of their health care needs. And I think a lot of people in rural communities tend to do that because it's just too hard to get to Columbia to take care of those things.
MU Healthcare now has 5 clinics in smaller areas around Missouri, including Fayette and Mexico.
I think all the local and rural outreach clinics that the university is providing will really help people in their long-term health care goals and as far as preventative goals and keeping them healthier.
As for the Mangles, they said they're happy with the clinic filling a little bit of the gaps left behind from the hospital, but are interested in getting more services.
It would be nice to see a cardiologist, a specialist pediatrician coming in, orthopedic, whatever, because we've had that in the past. And be nice to have it again.
Dr. Brownfield says the clinic is talking with physicians at MU Health and have interested specialists in cardiology, nephrology, and orthopedic services. What the Mangles really want is a hospital again.
The closer you have services, the better off you be for the whole community, really.
But for now, MU Healthcare is helping to fill those gaps.
Urgent care in Boonville will be open from 8 a.m. until 7 p.m. 7 days a week to serve patients on a walk-in basis, and patients can call to schedule an appointment with the MU Healthcare Family Medicine Clinic in Boonville. We have that number on our website, KMU.com. Reporting in the studio, Lucy Caile, KMU8 News.